We need to find out the value of the given trig expression. Let us begin. So here we are given sine 20 degree multiplied to sine 40 degree times sine 60 degree multiplied to sine 80 degree. Now except for sine 60 degree, we don't know the values of the other sine function. So anyways, let's do one thing. Let's write the value of sine 60 degree, which is square root of 3 over 2. So that gets multiplied to the remaining trig functions. We have sine 20 degree times sine 40 degree. But we're going to rewrite 40 degree as 60 degrees minus 20 degree. It's exactly the same thing, but there is a certain advantage of writing in that fashion, and sine 80 degree can be expressed as sine of 60 degree plus 20 degree. Now, we have already talked about this formula. We have derived it. So whenever we have sine of angle A multiplied to sine of the angle 60 degree minus A times sine of 60 degree plus A, then that's given by 1/4 of sine of the angle 3A. Now we'll use the same formula here to rewrite the product of these three sine function. We are going to get square root of 3 over 2 multiplied to 1/4 of sine of angle 3 times A. Now what's A here? A here is 20 degrees. That will be equals to square root of 3 over so 2 times 4, that's going to be 8. And we have sine of 3 times 20, that's going to be 60 degree. Now we know the value of sine 60 degree. So we have square root of 3 over 8 multiplied to square root of 3 over 2. That's going to give us the square root of 3 times square root of 3 will be 3. 8 times 2 will be 16. So that means the value of the product of these four sine functions is going to be 3 over 16.